What's up, guys? So today I started the day off. I actually filmed a lot of stuff and didn't really go anywhere, so we're gonna scrap that footage. We're gonna scrap it. Today is the first day of a extremely hot week. It's supposed to be like a record-breaking hot week, and it's gonna be great. So we gotta truck through this. I am not good with the heat, but all right. So this, just to get you guys caught up. So today, I just went and got the 240, unpacked everything from the drift event. Cleaned up a bunch around the shop, even though it might not look like it. Building cars makes a big mess, and yeah. So I'm gonna stop talking about that. But yesterday, if you guys didn't watch, go watch. We did this. We got the M52 with the supercharger, everything all in the engine bay. It's not complete. We got a lot to do, but the big stuff is all there. And now there's a lot of random tidying up stuff and a lot of random stuff we have to do to get the new motor to work in my older chassis. And on top of that, the parts for the Z actually did show up on Friday. So as soon as I get a free, nice day, I want to get this together. I didn't want to do it today because I want to make a whole day out of it. So we're going to hold off on touching that, but I'm excited to get it together. We filmed a bunch of stuff and we didn't get anywhere with it, honestly, because everyone wanted to go home because it's so hot today, so that kind of screwed me out. But I figured we should get something done today, and that is something you guys were actually kind of asking about. So if you guys didn't see yesterday's video, I actually purchased an E28 BMW. I didn't buy it really to build it or anything. I actually just got a really good deal on it, and I kind of bought it just to flip it or do something with it or give it to Steffi if she wants it. I don't know. It was kind of like right place, right time, and I bought it. We got to fix it. So a lot of you guys were saying I should film the process. I was going to try and keep on the DL. I didn't think anyone cared, but if you guys want to see it, let's see it. So I feel like now is the perfect day to work on it, go through it, and maybe hopefully finish it today. So let's go see it. Look at this gorgeous piece of German engineering. Damn. So as you can see, it's a BMW. It's an old one. It's a 1985 528. It's pretty cool. It's got the silver exterior that somehow looks like stainless steel now over the years. It is 5-lug from the factory, which is pretty cool. And it's a 5-speed with a blue gut. Very interesting. That's a really clean interior for how old this thing is. But this thing is stuck in third gear. So we gotta fix that. That's kind of why we got it, and we got it for so cheap. Now this car isn't a dime, but it is clean for what year it is. Now I do love these cars, and I would love to build one day. But I don't think this is the chassis for me, so I think we're gonna hold off on doing anything cool with this, but we'll see. Let's see if we can fix it. Let's get in the garage. We can start the car, but the clutch has to be in because it's stuck in third. So look at that. Starts right the heck up. We got power windows. Dude, this is an 85. That's so sick. Look at that. What the hell is this thing? Oh, that does something. I don't know what happened to the head unit, but maybe it still works. Let's see if we can move this thing in third gear. We're about to ride the piss out of the clutch. Sorry, clutch. Oh, we in there. Woo! That was smooth. This thing's so fresh. Found it. Woo! Push struts still work. Wow. All right. I have no idea what this engine code is. Is it M20 maybe? I think that's what it is. Couldn't tell you. All I know is a straight 6, 2.8 liter. It's the very, very old version of this. Now what's funny about this is I'm pretty sure it's an E model, which means this thing does not rev past 4,500 RPMs. So you really can't get yourself in trouble with this car, which is kind of cool. But it still has some pretty decent torque. I mean, I just moved the car in third gear, so it has to have something. But besides like some strut tower rust up there and there, I'd say it's a fairly clean engine bay if you really washed it. Has such big compartments on here. The previous owner gave me some extra oil. But damn, is that thing ugly. I also heard there was spare parts in the trunk, so let's go check them out. Oh, nice. Looks like we got new shocks. thermostat, right? What is this? Ooh, tie rod ends. So we got a front end refresh over here. We got a bunch of gaskets. I have temp sensor, a fan shroud, some fog lights. It's not bad. Let's jack it up, get underneath it, check out the shift and linkage, and see what the hell broke. This is definitely one of those moments where I do wish I had a lift. Let's check this thing out. Fingers crossed, something stupid broke. So the shifter linkage, how am I gonna get this to look? So guys, this right here is a shifter linkage. This stuff right here. The end of it, which is all the way forward, is what broke off. So I'm gonna try and pull it out and look at it, and then I'll show you guys in a second. So I got it all cleaned up, and I think I figured it out. Now, there is this, let me see if I can get it here. So there's this sleeve on here that I know you can clip off, and if you look, there's a keyway. I think there is supposed to be a rod or a keyway, whatever you want to call it, that goes all the way through it, and this clip is supposed to hold it in, and that's what holds it onto the like little nub, this. So that must have broke and came out somehow. I'm gonna try and find a bolt I could like cut up and stick through there and then see if I can slip this back on. This would go through the nub on the transmission, lock it in, and then this clip would prevent this from coming out. So we're gonna, I don't even know if this fell out or if it broke or what, but we're gonna cut this rod to right there. That should do it. All right, this sucks. I'm gonna figure something out because this isn't working. All right, guys, I got a little frustrated, so I put the camera down, but I ended up getting that pin to just slip in. I didn't want to pull the drive shaft. I thought I was gonna have to. So, as you can see, the shifter linkage is now on right there. The nub of the transmission is all the way back there, so I didn't have enough room to like get my hands in there and drop the pin in. But what I did was I unbolted this whole brace up top. See that whole metal brace? And I was able to push it up just enough to just finger drop the pin in. And, you know, trial and error 100 freaking times, but I got it. So we're on there. I think it's gonna stay in. All I have to do is bolt this linkage back up, bolt the trans mount back up. Guys, let's see if my little bolt cut keyway works. All right, it's in the center. That's good news. Oh, we got first, we got second, third, fourth. Oh, we got fifth. Let's see if we got reverse. Oh, I think we got reverse too. All right, hopefully that stays like that. Let's go take this thing for a test drive. Oh my God, this thing is a couch. Where's the lights? Hey, the lights work. All right, let's see if we'll go into gear. This should be reverse. It might be, oh, that's first gear. There's reverse. Ooh, that clutch gets nice and low. All right. God damn, is this thing so slow. All right, second's a little hard to get into, but it gets into it. I'm pumped. This thing drives great. It's just really, really slow. There's no noises either. All right, let's wash this damn thing. You know what, guys? I think this cleaned up pretty damn well. This thing looks like a gem right now. I'm so happy that's all it took. I was scared the transmission was going to be damaged, but here it is, guys. Running, driving E28 BMW. This thing's pretty cool. If you're in CT and you want to buy E28, talk to me nice, but I don't know. I got too many cars. Don't want to keep this one, but this thing is pretty fun. I actually got a lot of good feedback on the last video about it, and that's kind of why I figured I'd film going through it today. And a lot of you guys actually seem like really interested in it. I don't know if it's just me, but a lot of guys tend to want to see more about it. I don't know what I would do with the car, honestly. That kind of car I would love if like I was really gonna build it. I'd put a different motor in it, like do something crazy, because it is a big car. But obviously I'm not gonna do that to that car. Realistically, I feel like the only thing I can really do with that car now is just kind of like drop it slam it, put cool wheels on it, and clean it up, I guess. I don't know. I don't really know what else would be good for that because it's slow and comfy. So now that it's dark out and it's late, it actually cooled down a lot, so we can actually get some work done around here. So I figured might as well get a few things done on the E36 today since I wasn't planning on working on it. So anything I do will just be a bonus, right? That's a good way to think about it. Right, Travis? Come on.
Yeah.
So I figured we'll bang out the annoying stuff, and that's the stuff underneath the car. Well, some of it, and that's gonna be the transmission stuff. So I have to get the drive shaft in, the tranny mount, the shifter, and all that good stuff. So here's my tranny mount. It's nice, it's aluminum, you know, light and whatnot. What's really awesome is a long time ago, a subscriber actually sent me out new transmission mounts. I never put them in because I never really had a reason to, but now that the car's apart, we can throw them in. Nice Condor. So these are cool in the Beamer world, I guess. Condor makes a lot of small parts and bushings for BMWs. They're kind of expensive, and so whoever sent these to me, thank you so much. I don't know your name. I'm honestly really sorry, but these are sick. So we're gonna put the drive shaft in now. Oh, that's the lens. It just goes right into here, and then it bolts to it. So I'm gonna put this down, and I hope you guys can see that. Stop being a stuck. There we go. Oh, hell yeah. Yes. Drive shaft is officially done. What's nice about the BMWs, which literally I keep noticing on every single one, is all their mounts are ovalized, so you have room for error, which is like pretty cool. Oof.
Said the chassis harness looked
good. All right, train mounts on, shit the linkage on, drive shaft on, Jimmy done. Gonna throw the power steering pump on, right quick. Good enough. Which now means we can throw the main drive belt on. All right, has belts. There's that. It's insane how many little things there are to get engine and car together, but one thing at a time. Tomorrow I want to take a break from BMW stuff and work on the Black Z. Like I said, like 4 times I got the parts in to basically finish it. So we're gonna get that all together, take it out, drive it around town, and enjoy it. And then of course, I still have to go pick up the engine for the Lexus. I just haven't had time, but we'll get it. Even though I wasn't able to get a lot done today, I'm happy we at least got the E28 all together and running and shifting, and it feels great. I'm really pumped on the car. I still don't. I think I'm just still gonna flip it and get something else. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.